Welcome to Dollar Tree DVD Review. This time we'll be reviewing Pop Culture Bento Box. For those of you who don't know, Dollar Tree in the last year or so has been getting a lot of DVD and Blu-rays very, very cheaply. So let's see what this is. Pop Culture Bento Box is a DVD set that was released on February 5th, 2019 by Mill Creek Entertainment. It's on 2 DVDs. The retail price was $19.98. The synopsis of it is a taste of Japan's sci-fi, superhero, and animated favorites. Pop Culture Bento Box contains The Little Prince and the Eight-Headed Dragon, Battle in Outer Space, Mothra, Memories, Godzilla 1998 4 episodes, Astro Boy 2003 4 episodes, and Viper's Creed 4 episodes. Here is what the 2-disc set looks like. Here is the title screen for Disc 1 containing the movies. Here is the title screen for Disc 2 containing the animated series. If you haven't noticed yet, something is missing. So what went wrong? Why is this at the Dollar Tree? Mill Creek forgot to include The Little Prince and the Eight-Headed Dragon. Believe it or not, this title had never been released in the United States on home media. Mill Creek quietly offered replacement discs according to an Amazon review. So these are technically defective. That's why they're at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to show you some clips from the discs to demonstrate the quality.
Some kind of radio control apparatus.
How atrocious. Implanted on his brain, it would make him respond to radio wave impulses.
見える? おい、聞こえたのか? 帰ってこい! 場所間違えたかな? 鉄くずだらけじゃねえかよ.
With the animated series, you do get a title screen to pick which episode you want to watch. What are the downsides of this set? It is DVD quality. You are not getting Blu-ray at this price point. It is dub only, except for Memories. There are no subtitles except for Memories. Subtitles on Memories are not the cleanest, but at this price point, I don't expect them to be stellar. What is my opinion on this set? It is a good value for Mothra and Battle. Memories, however, is out of date due to a new Blu-ray release with a dub, but it's still a good value. Viper's Creed is a major weakness on this set because it sucks. This set should have included Metropolis, even with it only being DVD quality. I've always loved compilation discs like this. I think it's a great way to get into a series or show at a lower price point, but with lower quality and less special features. We've seen this before in anime with Metropolis and Cowboy Bebop the movie. Is this worth $1.25? Absolutely yes, in my opinion. Even with missing The Little Prince, this is a tremendous value. It's something you can buy, throw on your shelf, maybe watch one of the movies occasionally, or give it to a friend to let them watch, and if they lose it, at $1.25, who really cares? I would, however, not pay the original price of $19.98 for this. Here are my socials if you'd like to find out more about me, and thanks for watching.